What's up, Family Fire Squad? It's your host, Family Fire 2025, back again with another fire video for you today. Have you ever wondered how your city, state, or even country might be affecting your financial independence goals? Well, in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the impact of geographic location on your path to financial independence. But before we dive in, remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. All right, let's get into it. In this video, we're going to cover 1. The cost of living and how it varies across different locations. 2. Income potential and job opportunities in different areas. 3. Taxes and their impact on your financial goals. 4. The role of lifestyle and social factors in your financial independence journey. 5. Tips for choosing the right location for your own FIRE goals. First up, let's talk about the cost of living. It's no secret that the cost of living varies greatly depending on where you live. In some places, you can live like a king for just a few $1,000s a month, while in others, that same amount might barely cover your rent. For example, I remember when I first moved out of my parents' house and rented a small apartment in San Francisco. The rent was through the roof, and I quickly realized how much of a difference location can make when it comes to expenses. To put it simply, if your cost of living is high, you'll need to save a lot more money to reach financial independence. On the flip side, if you're in a low-cost area, you might be able to retire much sooner than you think. Next, let's talk about income potential and job opportunities. Your income is obviously a crucial factor in your financial independence journey, and your geographic location can play a big role in determining how much you earn. In some areas, certain industries or job markets might be booming, while in others, opportunities may be scarce. It's important to take this into consideration when planning your FIRE goals, because having a well-paying job with room for growth can drastically speed up your progress. For instance, I used to work in a small town where job opportunities were quite limited. It wasn't until I moved to a larger city that my career really took off and my income skyrocketed. So don't be afraid to consider relocating for better opportunities if it makes sense for your long-term financial plans. Now let's discuss taxes. Everyone's favorite topic, right? Well, maybe not, but taxes are a crucial factor to consider when it comes to your financial independence goals. Different locations have varying tax rates and structures, which can significantly impact your take-home pay and the amount of money you're able to save. Some states, like Texas and Florida, have no state income tax, which can mean more money in your pocket at the end of the day. On the other hand, places like California and New York have relatively high state income taxes, which could hinder your ability to save. It's essential to factor in local and state taxes when choosing where to live, as this can have a significant impact on your overall financial situation. All right, now let's talk about lifestyle and social factors. It's important to remember that financial independence isn't just about numbers. It's also about living a fulfilling life and enjoying your journey. Certain locations might offer a more relaxed and enjoyable lifestyle, while others might be more stressful or fast-paced. Depending on your personality and preferences, your choice of location could significantly affect your happiness and well-being, which in turn can impact your financial independence journey. For example, when I first moved to the city for better job opportunities, I initially struggled with a high cost of living and fast-paced lifestyle. It wasn't until I found a balance between work and leisure that I truly started enjoying my journey towards financial independence. Moreover, the people around you can also play a crucial role in your financial success. If you're surrounded by like-minded individuals who share your FIRE goals, you're more likely to stay motivated and committed to your plan. On the other hand, if your social circle doesn't prioritize financial independence, it might be challenging to stay on track. Now that we've covered the main factors that can influence your financial independence goals, let's discuss some tips for choosing the right location to help you achieve those goals. 1. Research the cost of living in different areas. Compare housing, transportation, and general living expenses to determine the most affordable locations. 2. Consider job opportunities and income potential. Look for areas with a strong job market in your industry or where you can advance your career. 3. Evaluate the tax situation. Be mindful of local and state taxes and how they might affect your take-home pay and savings potential. 4. Think about your lifestyle and social preferences. Choose a location that aligns with your values, personality, and preferences, ensuring you enjoy your journey towards financial independence. 5. Be open to relocating. Sometimes, the best opportunities might be in a completely different city or state. Don't be afraid to take a leap of faith and move if it could significantly benefit your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, your geographic location plays a significant role in your financial independence goals. By considering factors such as cost of living, job opportunities, taxes, and lifestyle preferences, you can make informed decisions about where to live and how it can help you achieve your FIRE goals faster. Now, I want to hear from you. How has your location impacted your financial independence journey? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Family FIRE 2025 for more great content like this. Until next time, keep fueling the fire, and remember, your location matters.